You know that feeling? It's 3 p.m., you hit a wall, and suddenly you're useless. I was living that every single afternoon, reaching for another coffee that just made me jittery but didn't touch the bone-deep tired feeling. I honestly thought that was just being an adult, that being exhausted all the time was the new normal. I was wrong. I went down a research rabbit hole looking for natural ways to boost energy, and I stumbled upon one simple ingredient that was a total game changer. So I'm going to share what it is, the actual science behind why it works, and how you can use it to feel amazing too. For years I was stuck in that awful energy cycle, and I bet it sounds familiar. You wake up feeling like you barely slept, so you chug coffee. You get a little lift, sure, but by the afternoon, you crash. Hard. So you grab more caffeine or a sugary snack for another jolt. It's a losing battle. You're just borrowing energy from tomorrow, and the interest is brutal. You're left with anxiety, jitters, and a massive energy slump that pretty much writes off the rest of your day. I just knew there had to be a better way than riding that roller coaster. I was so over it, I started digging through nerdy science journals and health blogs, determined to find something that wasn't just another stimulant. And that's when I saw it. One specific food kept popping up again and again. The science was so compelling, I figured, what have I got to lose? That one ingredient is beetroot juice. Yeah, I know what you're probably thinking. Beets? That earthy stuff your grandma made you eat? Just hang with me, because this isn't just about eating your veggies. This is about tapping into a biological process that can completely overhaul your energy levels. So how can this purple juice do so much? The magic is in a tiny molecule called nitrate. Beets are absolutely packed with it. When you drink beetroot juice, your body kicks off this cool chain reaction, converting those nitrates into something called nitric oxide. Now, nitric oxide is a huge deal. It's a vasodilator, which is a fancy way of saying it relaxes and widens your blood vessels. Think of your blood vessels as highways for oxygen and nutrients. Wider highways mean less traffic, right? This improved blood flow lets your body get more oxygen to your muscles, your brain, everywhere, way more efficiently. Studies have actually shown this process can make your body more efficient, so physical activity feels less tiring. In one study, people who drank beetroot juice for just 6 days saw their stamina increase during intense exercise. It's like making your body's engine more fuel efficient. Instead of just flooring the gas pedal with caffeine, you're upgrading the engine itself for better, more sustainable power. So if you want to try it, here's what I do. It's super simple. For the biggest kick, studies suggest drinking it a couple of hours before you need that peak energy, whether it's for a workout or just to crush that afternoon slump. I usually have about 1 to 2 cups. You can buy pre-made 100% beetroot juice, which is super easy. Or juice a couple of fresh beets at home if you have a juicer. Now, for the big question, what about the taste? Let's be real, it's earthy. If the flavor is a bit much for you at first, don't sweat it. A great tip is to mix it with other juices. Adding a splash of apple, lemon, or ginger can totally change the flavor and make it really refreshing. Start with half a cup and just see how you feel. I was skeptical, I'll admit it. But after about a week of adding this to my routine, the difference was wild. My 3 p.m. energy slumps, they just vanished. I wasn't desperately hunting for a coffee pot. I just had this clean, steady energy that lasted all day. My focus was sharper at work, my gym sessions felt easier, and I wasn't completely drained by the end of the day. It's not a buzzy, anxious feeling. It's just a calm, reliable sense of being on. So if you're tired of being tired and you're sick of the caffeine highs and lows, maybe give beetroot juice a shot. It's a simple, natural way to help your body function at its best. Have you ever tried it? Drop a comment below and let me know how it went for you. I'd love to hear about it. And hey, if you liked this video, giving it a like and subscribing would be amazing. It helps the channel grow so I can keep sharing things that have really helped me. Thanks for watching.